Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Suzuki GSX-R1000 superbike. Beautiful condition, only 16,000 miles on this awesome superbike. Brand new front tire, smoke windscreen, adjustable levers, Two Brothers exhaust system. Wait till you hear that thing. Fender eliminator. This is a solo seat version. This bike is in beautiful shape. It also has a auto-tune power commander. This bike is very powerful. It's not going to be here long. Only $79.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.